Great. So Sony is designing the PlayStation 6, but as an electronic engineer looking at the leaked factory blueprint, this next-gen console contains a catastrophic time bomb. Welcome to Majesty Computers. Whilst mainstream gaming channels are hyping the new specs and the new graphic card, well, we are stepping onto the diagnostic bench to look at the raw structural reality. Leaked supply chain data from TSMC reveals that the PS6 will feature a customized AMD processor shrunk down to a microscopic 2 nm scale. Right, the new PlayStation 6 is going to, host a new customized semiconductor processor, which has been shrunk down to a very tiny 2 nm scale of diameter. But it packs billions of transistors into such a tight footprint that traditional cooling is completely useless. To stop this chip from melting, Sony has engineered a highly volatile thermal solution that completely rejects your right to repair. Great. Before you buy into the next gen hype, let's look at the circuit board. Now, Sony has designed this thing so that you can no more repair your device on your own anymore. That's what all this means. A 2 nm processor creates an incredible level of thermal density per square millimeter. Well, what that means is a standard silicon thermal paste cannot transfer heat fast enough to stop the chip from instantly hitting its thermal throttling limit. Sony's leak schematic reveals an upgraded liquid metal 2.0 architecture. Instead of a basic sponge gasket like the PS5, the PS6 features a machine pressurized containment vault clamped directly onto the motherboard substrate. This liquid metal alloy is highly conductive, meaning it carries raw electrical current. If even a microscopic drop escapes the vault, it game over for your console. The pressure leak trap. As a technician, this pressurized layout terrifies me. Trust me. For the containment vault to stay sealed, the heat sink assembled requires perfectly balanced torque across all mounting screws. If a user accidentally drops their console off a table, or if a local repair shop applies uneven pressure during a basic dust, that factory seal will warp. The high pressure inside the vault will force the liquid metal to spray outwards across the board. The moment that conductive fluid hits the surrounding capacitors, bank, or the main 12-volt power rail, it causes an instant explosion short circuit. It burns the copper traces right off. The board turns a $700 console into a permanent unrepairable paperweight. Trust me, that's why I say this thing is a motherboard time bomb in it. Now, the depth of DIY maintenance, this is where you, a normal guy, a gamer, cannot open this console to try and do anything in there. Why I'm saying this is this engineering choice means that a brutal reality DIY maintenance is completely dead. Consumers will never be able to open their own console to clean out dirt or replace internal component. Breaking that factory containment seal without special alignment jigs and a vacuum seal gear will instantly break the unit. Sony is intentionally shifting the hardware ecosystem into a closed loop, forcing users away from independently repair benches and straight into an expensive factory replacement program. That's exactly what it means. I know by now you are asking for the Majesty verdict on the PlayStation 6. Trust me, I have some cool, nice things to say. Architecturally, the 2 nm performance leap is stunning, but structurally, the PS6 is shipping up onto be unrepairable luxury trap. We just shattered a 10,600 views on the Majesty Computers channel because the Majesty crew demands a raw hardware truth. Hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel for more and more reality on upcoming budget. We will not hide behind the hype and give you some random information. We tell you the technical fact on the gadgets you are using. Thank you. Like the video and let me know if you are going to risk your money, your real-time console on a liquid metal that can erase your motherboard in a click. This Majesty architect and the repair bench is clearing off.